I can't even do the food dance for you this morning, but it smells good. I can tell you that part. And all that's in the pot is aisle.
So I told you you would find your appetite back this morning. No, we did a lot of dancing, and now we're going to do a lot of eating and cooking. Well, boy, I'm in that. It's time for some food. What a weekend show, man. We dance, we eat, life is good. Joining us is Chef Ramon Ho. Good morning, also known as Chef in the Back Pocket, who's going to help us build our own pasta this morning on Weekend Smiles.
Tell me a little bit about that Chef in the Back Pocket thing. How that go?
All right, so the idea, how it came up is that my team and I were a group of chefs, so...
Can't whistle and ride, man, do you?
Okay, sorry.
So what, hold on, you're cooking our food or we're going to be cooking?
I'm cooking your food for you.
Oh, we just choose
so,
it.
Yeah, you just choose what you want and I'll cook it for you.
Nice.
Right? So how it happens, Chef in the Back Pocket now is, we try to be a little different. So what you do, you call us and you have stuff in your house and you don't know what to do with them. For example, you could have flour, butter and callaloo. And you might be thinking, what you can do with this? Right? You might think about this callaloo and bread. But you can turn it into like a callaloo quiche.
Okay.
Right, exactly. So basically what we try to do is use as much as your ingredients.
So we must call you come over yard?
No, we have a consultation session.
Okay.
Right? So as much as possible, we try to converse and we build a menu based on what you have with as little as much influence outside. So basically you're just using what you have at home, right?
Cool. So it's a consultation, so you come to the home and have it.
Yeah,
it's not
definitely.
Okay. All right, interesting.
All right, so this part of it is you have a special going on pasta?
Yes. What we have happening next week, Thursday now, is a Build Your Own Pasta series. Where basically we give the freedom to our clientele. So you basically look at what you want, you tell us how you want us to build it, and we cook it and we deliver it for you.
Where do I have to come to get it, or is something
No,
we
deliver it.
Online and you can't come?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, what you say?
Right. So,
is there any specific different types of pasta you have? We have like whole wheat pasta, corn pasta, gluten-free pasta?
We have whole wheat pastas, right? And basically our sauces that we'll be using today is our herb pomodoro, our garlic alfredo, and our walnut pesto, right?
Walnut pesto.
Exactly.
Oh,
so
yeah.
All right.
I'm a pesto girl.
Me too.
I'm a chef too, you know. I feel like I want to come over and touch your pot. God knows.
You want to touch
your pot? You can't go help yourself, but
yeah, you can come.
So you like pesto in yours?
I wanted pesto too, so I don't know, and I wanted shrimp. So the two of us want the same thing.
Don't
so
worry,
that
make
makes
that
sense.
because we have a whole heap of people. So make the shrimp pesto.
All right.
And then the chicken one we can do the Alfredo.
All right, no problem.
Because the team will love that.
All right, sure.
Okay.
All right. So
So we just say, all right, that's what I want, and you just flum everything together
and create the dish for you.
And then you put it in something and Carrie come give me.
Yeah. All right. With each dish is served with a serving of garlic bread.
So some people didn't know you don't have to put the garlic bread in the oven. You can actually put it
in the
pot.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, and in terms of all of these things, are there, I know that there are some people who, like me right now, trying to eat healthy and want a healthier option. So you have like whole wheat bread, or you have the options.
We have the options. I mean,
so
basically...
Like,
I'm coming to help you, all right? You don't mind me touching your pot?
No, that's sorry.
I know every chef like when woman touch him pot, you know.
No, I like...
Keep going.
I like teaching and interacting with my customers.
Yes, I love to cook. Can I throw in my pesto? I think it's time.
Sure, you can go ahead.
I don't know, say time, Empress.
Because I'm a
chef is
I tell you, that's why my husband married me, because I can cook.
You can cook?
Yes.
Sorry.
But not him do most of the cooking in your yard?
No, he cooks, but I am the one who cooks majority of the meals, and that's why he married me. Just for that.
Yep. Just for that. Zip it, better learn. Because if she want husband or so,
real old school.
Right, so
you must learn to cook as a woman.
Where can we find you online, Chef, to find out to get all of
the
this?
IG page is Chef in the Back Pocket, right? So you can look us up and DM us, and we'll consult it. It has a link to our telephone number, right? So it's 784-2421. And basically we'll take it from there.
Your pesto is so green. Sorry to cut you.
This is based from our garden.
Oh, nice!
Right.
Real homemade pesto.
Yeah. So this is
awesome.
This is basil that we actually pick from the thing and we use, right? So which pasta would you like in it now?
You know what? You're using that spiral one, so I'll go with the penne-looking one, if you don't mind.
Go. Girl, I know our pasta.
Lot of mercy.
Empress says she can't cook.
But you know, I'm not a plastic because it's TV too. You know what? I'm gonna just go like this, if you don't mind. Can I use most of it?
Yeah, man, sorry, you can go ahead.
But I don't want to. There we go. That's it.
All right.
This looks so yummy.
All right.
So sorry, just for those who don't know, because pesto is basil and you put walnuts in it?
Yeah, walnuts. It's traditionally made with pine nuts, but for this we wanted something different, so we use walnuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, as well as garlic and olive oil. All right.
Nice. So I'm so happy that you brought breakfast for me, Chef, because that is actually. Let me tell people the truth. I'm gonna confess.
All right.
The reason I love this show is because chefs come on and I get to eat.
Okay, get food. That's the only reason.
No, not the only reason. It's one of the main.
What you say over there?
We're gonna play it, Chef.
All right. Yeah.
Can I play it too?
Sure.
Because I don't want my shrimp to get overcooked. It doesn't. It's not overcooked. It's just right.
Oh, you know, said overcooked.
Marvin can't even cook.
Just right,
Marvin don't even know a shrimp name. What shrimp look like?
Them shrimp, they look fat and juicy.
Fat and juicy.
You're not gonna get nothing.
I like how you talk about food. Because my mouth is watering right now.
You know,
look at my pot.
What my daughter said when she wants food, she says, "Oh, mommy, I have water in my mouth for it."
Lord Ramon, I hope I don't know the
She don't know the term.
This is a real skill, you know, from the pot to the little plate. So, oi go.
All right, and then basically you can pick the cheese that you want. Today we have mozzarella.
Don't say nothing, Marvin. Well, yes, mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese.
Actually, do you have Parmesan?
Yeah, we have Parmesan as well.
I'd love some Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan into the something, you know. It's into
Wait, I'm going to show you my plating. There you go.
A little messy right there, so, you know.
Listen, chef, you say you're to a road. You know what? It's okay. I'm going to...
It's all right.
I'm going to beat up the chef. Watch, chef, watch. I know what to do.
Clean up after yourself.
Yeah, man.
You got it.
It's always clean as you go.
Clean, you know.
You got it. We'll see you eat Empress. The camera did it right for you. I don't know.
Parmesan?
All right, guys. They have plated and everything looks good. So, you know, in between, we're going to eat some of this food. Yep. Chef Ramon, who also known as the chef in the back pocket, was here with us today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for breakfast.
Tastes good.
Thank you for all of this food. We're going to eat it. We're going to go for a video pic. Yeah, we have a video pic, so don't go anywhere.
Copy.
Good chef.